Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today I am wiring up my rack. I've just got a new rack in, and basically at the back of the rack, just trying to wire up everything. I've got my back of my S950 there. Bit of a mad shadow here, what's going on? Got the back of my S950 there, as you can see. I've got the back of my S3200, and I'm just putting wires in back of the DAT machine. Back of the tape deck. Oh, you've got to do tape deck. Got the tape deck to do. Got the back of the Presonus, which I'm going to use just to power up my sub packs. And I've got some VHS here for running off some old footage that I've got plans to take off of tape. And I've also put some hot glue on the back of here, and I've hot glued the power distributor to the back of the rack so it's out of the way, because it's 19-inch rack mountable and it doesn't make sense putting it around the front of the rack because it would just take up rack space, and you don't want to see plugs sticking out the front of your rack. So what I did was we just super glue hot glued it to the back, and it's nice and sturdy, and we've got all the plugs, we're labeling them up. You can see DAT Tascam, Mackie, tape deck, S3200, so on and so forth. So I've got everything there all wired up, and still lots of wiring to go. Got all the other bits and pieces to connect, and yeah, I'm just trying to make this rack so I could just pull it out and it's pretty much independent, working on its own. You've got the Mackie 1604 desk that I've got up here from Equinox, and we built this shelf as well that we're adding onto the rack. I'll give you a little view of the rack around the front. You can see it's looking good. Excuse the mad video light, folks. But yeah, as you can see, the rack's there. So guys, there you have it, a quick little insight in the back of my rack. If you want to see some more videos about how to wire up your tech gear, smash that like button. If I get to 50 likes, I will do a video on how to wire up one of these bits of kits. Take care, God bless, peace.